Bitch, I'm any finesse, so bitch, you call me daddy. Yeah, fuck your mind and I'ma fuck your body. Yeah, between me and you to nobody.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ash Nicole. If you don't know me, and if you know me, welcome back. You know how we do. I can't stay gone for long. If you haven't already, like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl and join the gang. We are the Fly Girls, it's the Fly Crew, okay? So in today's video, I'll be doing a hair review. And this is Yolissa's Hair Company. This is a 13 by 6 22-inch water wave wig. So if you're interested in this wig, I'll have the link somewhere down below. Inside the box came a information card on how to take care of the hair, a wig cap, and a satin bag to keep your wig in. So with that being said, the shipping was standard, about a week and a half to 2 weeks for the wig to get here. Shedding standard is a curly hair. I don't really comb it while it's damp, so I don't have a lot of shedding. I comb it when it's wet, and you know, curly hair kind of sheds, so it does shed a little bit. It's a 13 by 6, but I had some, stipulations, because I'm like, if it's a 13 by 6, why I feel like it's 13 by 4 parting? Because, a 13 by 6 is going to go all the way, around, but it stops, like, right here. So that's why it's giving me 13 by 4. But other than that, I love the frontal quality. It is an HG lace wig. And, I added my own little baby hairs. And, yeah. So if you want to see how I got this, look how I installed this wig, just keep on watching. So jumping right in, I'm applying my Bold Hold Active Glue onto my ball cap. If you want to see how I got this ball cap method, go ahead and watch my first ever video on how I apply my wigs. I'll leave a screenshot somewhere on the screen. I normally apply like 1 to 2 layers of glue. I wait for the first layer to dry, clear, then I apply the second layer, wait for that to dry, clear, and I put the wig on. Okay, so now the wig is applied, I'm going to go ahead and use my She Is Bomb wax stick, and I'll put that all over the hairline. Girl, excuse my chewing. Them gushers was so good, girl, busting in my mouth. But no, for real. So now I'm going to apply my lace band, my elastic band all over my lace on the hairline, just to get my hair to melt down, just to get the lace to melt down. Now I'm going to use my Bio Silk heat protectant, and I'm going to put that all over the hairline as well. And then I'm going to heat up my hot comb and start hot combing all around the hairline. Okay, so I'm going to style my middle part. I'm doing the middle part today. So I split my hair into 2 sections, parted it down the middle, and now I'm just trying to get the middle to lay down as flat as possible, girl. So I'm going to go in with some Bio Silk heat protectant, and I'll put that all over my hair. And then I'm going to go in with my She Is Bomb wax stick, and I'm going to put that all over my hair. And the purpose of the wax stick is just to tame those flyaways and lay down the flyaway hairs that don't want to lay down, girl. That's what that is for. And then after I do that, you really don't need that much. I really was overdoing it, but I'm gonna take my hot comb, and it's on 450, and I'm going to start to hot comb it down to get it to lay as flat as possible.
Over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
So now I'm gonna start the wetting the hair process. I'm going to take my Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to first start off wetting the hair, getting all those, kinks out, brushing it all the way out, and getting it really, really, really wet. And then I'm going to apply the Garnier Fructis all over the hair as well. So now that we got the hair all wet and curly, I'm going to go in with some highlighter powder in my part, and I'm going to put that powder all along the part. And I use powder instead of concealer because powder looks more like scalp, and then it's also less messy. So girl, it works for me. You should try it. Leave me a comment down below if you do decide to try this method out. I don't remember who I got this method from. I think it was Slate by Jordan. Slate by Jordan on YouTube. I think I got that from him. But now I'm going to take a rat tail comb and, oh, no. What am I doing? I don't know, y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. I don't know what I'm doing next. I think I'm about to do my edges. Girl, what is you doing, baby? What is you doing, baby? Yeah, I'm doing my edges. So I already had my edges kind of cut up, so it was nothing really to it but to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the video. From here on out, I think the rest of the video is kind of self-explanatory. If you want more hair tutorials like this, please give me a do what? Please leave me a comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, or hairstyles, hair tutorials, that sort of thing. Leave me a comment down below and I will get those videos out to you guys. And if I don't check back in with you in the rest of the video, I will see you guys in another motherfucking video. And until next time, you already know I love you. Peace, love, and light.
It's not that